I just received this Grootpow WP5 Apex weeder. The foot pedal is made out of fiberglass instead of plastic, and the pole is made out of cast iron, which is powder coated. Weighing in at only 3.7 pounds, the stainless steel claws have a load capacity of 99 pounds, while the pole has a load capacity of 165 pounds. This was designed with an automatic retractable system that makes it really easy to release the weeds. The 402 stainless steel claws make it really easy to get weeds pulled out of hard to reach areas, including mulch, hard rock, or clay. And on top of that, the 42-inch long cast iron shaft prevents you from having sore back and sore knees. After folding the plate down and locking it into place, you want to center the 3 claws over a weed and press downwards. Then you'll want to pull the shaft in the direction of the step to remove the weed. Then you will slide the ejector grip toward the end of the tool to release the weed. This truly makes the process of pulling weeds so much easier, and I would highly recommend it to anyone.